Okay.
And then Ellie.
Ellie and Cameron.
Ellie.
Alright. We want to thank Lovevery today for sending us these play kits. My daughters are 1 and 3, and so they're different ages, and play kits like these are perfect, especially now that it's getting cold, and especially because now we live on the mainland. I realize the sun goes down so early. It's great to introduce some new toys during the winter months. This is the Babbler set, but this is for kids kids 13, 14, and 15 months. And she just turned 1. This is like the perfect age for her. Whose toy is this? Whose toy is this? Whoa, Cammy, look. There's faces. Here, sit down. Here, you want to sit on this side? Let me open this one first, sister. You gotta be a little bit patient, okay? And the great thing about Lovevery toys too is that the quality is always really good. So these toys last a while. I've had kits from when they were really little, and we still play with things from those kits today. It just shows how sturdy and how quality they are. And I really like that a lot of the products are made of wood, which is just great for their development and for their creativity.
What is that?
I don't know. This is for Cammy. Oh, Cammy, look.
Oh.
Whoa, Cammy.
Oh.
Look, Cammy, look. Look, Cammy. The ball goes down in the hole. Whoa. You want to push it down? You can push it down. Try her toy. It also comes with a book. These are the toys that it comes in the Babbler. All the different ones. And this book is great because it shows you how to use all of the toys. It has explanations. Colors, expressions. This is the one that has different tops. So you can change the top out. There's another toy that goes in here.
It goes really fast, I'm sure.
Yeah. Cute little bunnies. So if you're watching this video between November 24th and December 7th, Lovevery is having a holiday promotion for up to 25% off on their site. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description box if you're interested in looking at these play kits. So for my 3-year-old, we got her the Storyteller, 40 to 42 months. As a parent, sometimes I struggle with having an activity or something that would work for both of them. So I'm always like, she wants to paint, and the other one wants to mainly be carried, or she wants to play with a different toy. This really caters to their age and the skill level that each of them are at, because they're in totally different places right now.
This is more interesting. So this water comes out and then you start to mop like this is most interesting.
So the main attraction to the Storyteller set is that it comes with these wooden rods. There's about 16 of them, and these connecting pieces. And right here I'm creating a cube. What's cool about this set is that you can use these pieces to create different structures and really help your toddler learn different shapes and use their creativity to create whatever kind of structure they are interested in. My daughter at this age loves imaginative play, and I'm excited to see what she will create with these rods and these connecting pieces, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm adding here the puppet theater sheet, which gives the illusion of creating a performance. Structure.
Puppet show.
Hi, girls.
So the puppets come. Do you know where the puppets coming from? He's
Another thing that my daughter is into now is letters. So this was perfect, this animal puzzle, which she really enjoys doing. She can focus and really work at understanding her lowercase letters. And this is a great addition right now to her toy shelf. I love that all of their play kits come with books, and this one is perfect right now for my daughter. It talks about routines, which is something that she's currently working at as well. Again, thank you so much to Lovevery for sending these toys for the girls. They love it. And my older one is playing with her Storyteller fort in a different room. It just took a lot of space here. But I'm excited for her to explore the emotions and all the things that she's feeling now at 3 years old. And again, they have toys for every age from newborn. So you really can find whatever you are looking for. These are great gifts for kids as the holidays are approaching. And I will leave a link in my description box if you're interested in getting any of these toys. Also, they do have a really good Black Friday promotion, which I will also link as well. So thank you again, Lovevery.